Using computers running on Windows, and if you open the Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, then you must go to your keyboard, and in this keyboard you can see that this is the number lock. So you must click this number lock key. Now you can see that the number lock have been enabled. The next step is that you can see this is the Alt key. So you must keep your one finger in this Alt key, so you did not remove your finger from this Alt key. And at the same time you can type here 973 0, and after typing 973 you can simply release your finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that, you can see that the umbrella symbol have been arrived, and you can even change the color. If you are using in the Word, you can simply change the color of your umbrella also here. So you can select whatever color you want for your umbrella. So hope you understood how to create umbrella symbol in computer. For more video updates like this, you can subscribe our channel Engineers Online. Thank you.